All of you, welcome back to a course database management system. So our today's topic is all and any clause in SQL. So in the last video we discussed about how to handle the null values in SQL. So today we are going to discuss about two more clause. One is a all clause and second one is a any clause, which is similar as that of some clause. So first of all we discuss about all clause. So what is the use of all clause? So the all operator returns true if all of the subquery meet the condition. That means all operators will returns value if all subquery meet the condition, and generally all clause is used to replace multiple and condition. All clause works with a less than, greater than, less than equals to and greater than equals to operator in where clause as well as in the having clause. So in order to demonstrate the use of all clause, how to make use of all clause, we take a simple example. So suppose our problem statement is display the list of employee getting more salary than highest salary of a employee Smith, James and Miller. So in this problem what is been asked, you have to display the list of employee, but whose list, who's getting more salary, than the highest salary among Smith, James and Miller. These are three employees having some kind of salary. So we want such an employee who is getting highest salary than Smith, James and Miller. So in order to solve this particular query, one of the solution is that is given over here. See here, how can we write a query to answer this particular question? Select star from employee where salary is greater than, select salary from employee where employee name is Smith. So this is a first inner query which returns the salary of a Smith, and second condition, salary is greater than, select salary from employee where employee name is James, and salary is greater than, select salary from employee where e name is Miller. So in this case I have written three subqueries, one for Smith, one for James and third for Miller. So all these three subquery will return the salary of Smith, James and Miller, and with respect to that I am comparing salary of each and every employee from the table, so that I will get such a list of employee which is having highest salary than Smith, James and Miller. So once I execute this query I will get such a kind of output over here. So here you can see that I will get a list of employee Alan, Jones, Blake, Clark, Scott, King, Turner and Ford. These are the employee which is getting higher salary than Smith, James and Miller. So here you can observe this particular output. So this is one of the way to answer this particular problem. Now in the same way, same query you can write with the help of all clause. So what is the problem over here? So in this case we have written a three subquery. So instead of this, suppose I need to write only one subquery. So this is possible with the help of all clause, because I told you that all clause can be used to replace multiple and condition. If you observe carefully, here you can see I have written three condition which is connected by using AND operator. Now I can replace this multiple and with the help of all clause. So for same problem statement I can write a query with the help of all clause. So how can I write a query by using all clause? Select star from EMP where salary is greater than all, in bracket I will return subquery select salary from employee where employee name in Smith, James and Miller. See here we required Miller. By mistakenly here I have written Smith, but actually here we want Miller. Smith, James and Miller. So here suppose you execute this query, you will get the same output as that of previous one. Here you can see you got this output for this particular query which consists of multiple and this is a query which I have written with the help of all operators. So the output is same. So in this way we can say that all operator can be used to replace multiple and condition. And here what we are comparing the salary of employee, and it should be greater than all. That means first of all inner query will be executed and it returns the value, it returns the salary of Smith, James and Miller, and in the outer query we are comparing the salary of each employee. which should be greater than all these three value which is written by the inner query. So this is what the use of a all clause. Now let's demonstrate both this query with the help of LiveSQL, so that you will understand in more depth how that all operator can be used. Now here you can see we see the execution of the query with the help of all clause. So first of all, our problem statement is same. We want to get the list of employee who's getting more salary than Smith, James and Miller. So for one of the ways by using multiple AND operator. So let's see what output we are getting. We are executing this query. So we got this output. This output I have already shown, but here I am just demonstrating it with the help of LiveSQL. So here we are getting this particular output. Now same query we'll execute with the help of all clause, where we try to replace multiple AND with a all clause. So okay, one parenthesis is missing over here. Now I will execute this query with the help of all operator. So here simply I have replaced multiple AND with all operator. So here you will get a same output. So I hope you understand the use of all operator in SQL, how to make use of all operator. So you need to understand that all operator can be used to replace multiple AND condition. Now let's next we focus on in operator. What is the use of in operator? Next we focus on any clause, or you can say some clause. So our next clause is a any clause. So what is the use of any clause? Just we have seen the use of AND clause. AND clause is used to replace multiple AND condition. Suppose we want to replace multiple OR condition, so we have one more option available, that is use of any clause, and alternative to any clause there is a some clause. Actually some clause and any clause both are same. Either you are using any word or you are using some word, both are same. So their functionality is same. They are returning it returns true if any of the subquery values meet the condition, and this any clause or some clause can be used to replace multiple OR condition, and it is used with less than, greater than, less than equals to, and greater than equals to operator in where clause and the having clause. Now let's discuss a particular problem statement to demonstrate the use of any and some clause. So display the list of employee getting more salary than lowest salary of an employee Smith, James and Miller. In the previous case we have seen that we want to get a list of employee who is getting higher salary than highest salary among James, Miller and Smith. Now in this case we want to get list of employee getting higher salary than lowest salary of an employee among Smith, James and Miller. So we need to we can write this query with the help of multiple OR condition. So how to write this query? Select star from employee where salary is greater than, select salary from employee where ename equals to Smith, or salary is greater than, select salary from employee where ename equals to James, or select salary from employee where ename equals to Miller. That means here I have written three subquery with the help of OR operator. So in this case what kind of output we are getting? So we are getting the list of employee which is having higher salary than the lowest salary among these three. So here we can see that you are also getting output the James and Miller. That means Smith is having lowest salary, and I know that the salary of Smith is 800. So all these employee is getting higher salary than salary of a Smith. So among these three, lowest salary for Smith, that is 800. So one way of writing the solution for this given query is by using multiple OR condition. Now same query or same problem we can solve with the help of any and some of clause. Okay, same problem we can solve with the help of any clause. So again problem statement is same. I want to get the list of employee who is getting higher salary than the lowest salary of Smith, James and Miller. So how can I write a query? Select star from employee where salary is greater than any. And in this case what inner query will return? Inner query will return the salary of Smith, James and Miller. So here we required Miller over here. Here Smith should not be there. Here we want Miller is to be there. Okay. So suppose you execute this query, you will get the same output as that of previous one. Here you can see this is the output, and same output we are getting in the suppose I make use of any clause. Now here suppose you replace any word with some clause, then also you are getting the same output, because any and some both are same clause, only the name is different. In order to remove some kind of confusion that may cause due to any clause, another keyword comes, that is sum. So use of sum and any sum, it is used to replace multiple or condition. Now let's demonstrate this with the help of live SQL. Now again see here, problem statement is says I want to get the list of employee getting higher salary than the lowest salary among Smith, James and Miller. So how can I do this? So first way is by using multiple or condition. I am writing a query with the help of subquery having multiple or condition. So select star from employee, where I have written this 3 subquery. Okay, so let's execute this query and see what kind of output we are getting. So here this is output we got, total 13 rows are there. And now same query I can write with the help of any operator. Okay, same query I am writing over here with the help of any operator. So let's check whether it produces same result as that of multiple or not. Here also you can see we are getting 13 rows over here. That means in order to solve this particular question, either you can solve by using multiple or condition, and alternative to that multiple or condition, that is the use of any clause. Now what I told you, that use of any clause and some clause both are same. So here instead of any I am going to write some clause, and let's check whether it works or not. Let's execute this particular query and check what output we are getting. Now see here, again we are getting 13 rows. That means some clause and any clause both are same. Only in order to remove the confusion in using any clause, you can use of some clause. So I hope you understand the use of AND operator, all clause and any clause. So finally I can say that all clause is used to combine multiple AND condition, and any clause can be used to replace multiple OR condition. Thank you.